Hello and welcome. We're excited to introduce ourselves as the new management company for your rental home. We understand that a change in management can sometimes feel a little uncertain, so we want to take a few minutes to explain what you can expect, what will stay the same, and what may change as we begin managing the property. Our goal is to make this transition as smooth and clear as possible for you. First and most importantly, your current lease remains in effect until it expires. That means the terms of your existing lease agreement will continue to apply unless until a new lease or renewal agreement is signed. So while the management company may be changing, your current lease does not automatically change simply because we are taking over management. As part of our onboarding process, our team will schedule an initial inspection of the property. This inspection is a baseline inspection. The purpose is to document the condition of the home at the time we take over management. This helps protect everyone involved, the tenant, the property owner, and our company, by creating a clear record of the property's condition from the beginning of our management takeover. During this inspection, we will take photos of the interior and exterior of the property to document its current condition. Property inspections are a normal and important part of professional property management. They help us identify maintenance concerns, confirm the property is being properly cared for, and make sure any issues are addressed before they become bigger problems. On average, we perform 2 inspections per calendar year. These inspections typically take place approximately 3 to 4 months after a lease renewal or move-in, and again about 3 to 4 months before the lease renewal or expiration date of the lease to determine if a lease renewal will be offered. In some situations, additional inspections may be required if we determine they are necessary. All inspections will include photos of the property's interior and exterior, so we can properly document the condition of the home. We understand that this can feel personal, and we want to be very clear. Tenant privacy is extremely important to us. Inspection photos are for internal use only. They are only reviewed by our staff and the property owner. These photos will not be used for advertising, marketing, social media, or any public purpose. They are strictly used to document the condition of the property and help us manage the home properly. Before we are able to offer or complete a lease renewal, we must first inspect the property. This inspection allows us to review the condition of the home, determine whether any maintenance items need to be addressed, and provide the property owner with accurate information before a renewal decision is made. Because of this, lease renewals cannot be completed without a property inspection first. When it is time to discuss renewal, any renewal offer will include the proposed lease terms for the new lease period. This may include updates or changes to the lease agreement, including the addition of our resident benefits package. If a renewal is offered, we will provide the details for review before anything is signed. Our resident benefits package is designed to provide added value, convenience, and protection for residents. The package includes important benefits such as tenant liability coverage, air conditioning filter delivery every other month, personal property coverage, dog bite coverage where applicable, and other resident services that help make renting easier and more secure. The resident benefits package is a required part of our standard lease renewal process and will be included in renewal terms when a new lease is offered. As your new management company, we want communication to be simple and clear. You will receive information from our team about how to contact us, how to access your tenant portal, and how to make payments moving forward. For maintenance requests, you may contact our maintenance department directly at 863-333-5161, or you may submit your request through the tenant portal on our website at mylakelandhome.com. If you have maintenance concerns, please report them as soon as possible so we can review and address them appropriately. Prompt reporting helps protect the property, prevent larger issues, and allows us to better assist you during your tenancy. All rent payments are to be made through your tenant portal. You can access the tenant portal through our website at mylakelandhome.com. ACH or bank transfer payments are free and is our preferred method. Credit and debit card payments are also available, but they do include a 4% processing fee. This fee is charged by the payment carrier, and our office does not receive those charges. Checks and cash payments are not permitted directly to our office. For residents who need to make a cash-based payment, a cash payment barcode is available through your tenant portal. This barcode allows you to make an approved payment at participating locations such as CVS, 7-Eleven, Walmart, and other approved partners. The participating payment locations will be shown on the barcode printout available in your tenant portal. Please make sure all rent payments are submitted through one of the approved tenant portal payment methods. Our goal is to provide professional, respectful, and consistent management of the property. We want you to know what to expect, understand how our process works, and feel comfortable reaching out when you need assistance. We look forward to working with you and helping make this transition as smooth as possible. Thank you for taking the time to watch this overview, and welcome to our management process.